Shmai, Teithiwr Twp. That's the name of the blog, by the way, The Stupid Traveler. This is the Brodyr MaGee, kind of like the Teithiwr version of the Jackson 5, only way cooler. I'm going to let you guys introduce yourselves and tell me what it is you play.
We'll start with the youngest then.
Okay, go for it.
My name is Daniel and I come away.
Yeah, that's fine.
What you play, Dan?
What you play, Dan?
I play the beatbox.
The beatbox.
Woo!
Hey, I'm Sean and I play the drums. I'm the heart of the band.
Yeah.
I'm the one with the hips.
Oh yeah.
James.
My name's James and I play the fiddle.
James.
My name's Matthew. I sing, company vocals and play guitar.
And I'm Paul. I'm the lead singer and I'm the boss of the band, aren't I, boys?
Oh boy.
Unfortunately,
Unfortunately. That sounds like a brother kind of thing. Okay, back with the family MaGee, and they're coming to Canada pretty soon, right?
yeah.
You guys gonna be playing there?
Potentially.
Potentially.
Maybe in a church.
Yeah, we've
in Toronto.
Yeah.
Welsh Church, yeah, John?
Yeah, Welsh church.
Okay. And how do we find you guys? Your
Daniel,
music?
Do you know where we find us?
On Facebook then.
On Facebook.
On Facebook. It's not in Welsh, it's the MaGee Brothers, and it's MaGee, and then we'll have pictures and music going around, and that'll be totally bilingual. And if you are from America, please get in touch, or Canada, and just say, hey, we're from this is where we're listening to you from, and we can send you some stuff over.
And if you have a place to set up some gigs, these guys are really awesome.
Thank you.
I like them a lot, and when you see their stuff, you're gonna like them a lot, right? Mom's smiling over on the side there and saying, yep, absolutely. She thinks they're awesome. So if Mom thinks they're awesome, you need to listen to them. Now, a lot of these people who are going to be looking at this, they're like Welsh expats living in America. Some of them speak Welsh. A lot of them do not. How do you feel about Welsh language and its importance? Do you?
Well, that's a massive. I'll take this one, boys, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
We're all Welsh second language in our family. My mum's learnt Welsh. I've learnt Welsh. I've done my university. All our schooling's done through Welsh. But the area where we live is primarily English speaking. So it's been a nightmare over the last year for me trying to relearn Welsh. And all I can say is it's worth it. It's a lot of hard work. And there's a lot of benefits you can get from speaking another language, like these fantastic Eisteddfods over in Wales, where you can go and speak what is to some people their mother tongue, because I know people who can't speak English. So it's a fantastic language, and it's all online to give you a hand, and YouTube videos are all over there to help you out with that as well.
And the Brodyr MaGee will help you out with that. Check out their music.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, guys.
See